Hello everyone, welcome to SouthTech tutorials. Today we shall be looking at copy, cut and paste in MS Word. Some students previously reminded me about this. They needed more clarification and what is the difference between copy and cut. So today I'm making a video on this and we shall see it practically. So now this is a description that I have given, and you reading this can really make you know what we are about to start in MS Word, because it is really good to first know the meaning of these terms. By the time you get to know what they all mean, then you can easily apply them in real world applications like Microsoft Office Word. So I'll open my Microsoft Office Word by clicking on the start button, just type Word, and then I click on enter to open it. So it's loading, and let me minimize this. So I'm using Word Office 2019. For those ones who are using 2013, the concept still remains the same. Even with 2007, it is still the same logic. So I'll click on blank document. So this is my blank document, and we are going to illustrate the three: the copy, cut and paste. So let me generate some random text for us to do some illustration on it. I'll just increase the font size. So this is our title for today: copy, cut and paste in MS Word. So in order for us to copy this work and paste it somewhere, that means we have to create like more two blank pages, and the easiest way is to just put your cursor at the end of the very last word in your first page, and you continuously click on enter. You can now see we have created the second page. If you want to create the third page, continuously click on enter, and there is the third page. So this is our third page. We don't have numbers. We can insert some page numbers there by going to insert and then click on page number, bottom of the page. Yeah, we now have 3 pages. I will just close the header and footer. So let's be back to the first page, which is having our text that we are going to copy, cut and paste. So we shall first do the copying part. Copying is to just reproduce or duplicate the text in MS Word. That means when we are copying this, when we are copying this work and we want to put it in page 2, still this original copy will remain, because remember from the definition, it is just a duplicate or reproduction. We just need to reproduce this text in 2 ways. We leave the original one here, and then we take the other one to our desired page where we want it to be, or section. That's why I had to first give you the definition of the first two, which is the copy and cut. Copying is to reproduce or to duplicate, while cut is to remove. The main difference here, when you're removing text from the first page, that means nothing will remain there on the very first page. But when you're copying, the original text will remain there. So now we are we are copying. We want to copy our text to the second page. I just want to copy only the text document without the title. I just highlight it. I'm going to use the short form of copying. That's the first method I'm going to show you how to copy by using a shortcut. Ctrl C, and then you just put the cursor on the second page that you want to put the duplicate, and then we're now pasting. You click on Ctrl V, and that is exactly the definition of paste. To paste means to insert the copied or the cut text into another section or page. Now for us, we have pasted our copied document into the second page. So now we are just left with cut. We have looked at copy. We have copied our work from the first page to the second page. The original text still remains in the first page. Let me say we want to cut. We want to cut the last paragraph. The shortcut for cutting is Ctrl X. You see, when you cut a certain text, nothing remains in that part. We are cutting the last paragraph, and then we are pasting it in the third page. Click on Ctrl V to paste. So you can now see the difference. Here we have cut the last paragraph from the second page. As you can see now, we don't have the last paragraph here. But if we had copied, then we're going to be having the original copy this way. But since we cut, nothing remains on that section. So we have now looked at cut, copy and paste. Let me say we want to copy the whole of, we want to cut. This time let us cut the whole text which is in our first page. Just highlight the whole of it. Then we are cutting. Ctrl X. We want to paste that work in page 4. We don't have page 4 yet. We can create that page. This is page 3. So we want to put it in page 4. Paste it there. We have pasted our work. We have cut our work from first page and we have pasted it inside the fourth page. This is our fourth page. Here it is. So you can now see. Let me say I want to cut these middle paragraphs. I just highlight all of them and then I cut. Ctrl X. They are not there now. And then I want to paste them into page 5. I just create page 5 and I do Ctrl V to paste them. So this is the first method of doing cut, copy and paste by using shortcuts, and it is the quickest way of doing that job in MS Word. The other way of copying or cutting, you can use this after you have highlighted your work. Let me say we are, let me say you have highlighted the last paragraph here. If you want to copy this, just you first highlight it, you highlight then you come back to home. Under home you will see copy. Just click on copy, and then you go to the destination where you want to insert it or to paste it. Let me say I want to insert it under this last paragraph. Come and you click on paste options. You will see that. Just click on the first one. As you can see, now we have inserted it in this page. This is another method of copying and pasting by using the copy under the home tab, the copy and paste under the home tab. But the best way and the quickest method is by using keyboard shortcuts. So I hope you guys have learned something new for today, and let me hope I have really helped those people who are asking for more clarification on copying, pasting and cutting in MS Word. By using these simple descriptions, you can easily know by now. I hope to see you in the next videos, and please support our channel by subscribing, and you can comment. You can really give your comments on the next videos that I need to do some actions, and I'll respond to you through the comments.